Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sacks local and long-distance movers near me. There are several cheap sacks moving companies to choose from. 3 Movers is the best choice for your local or long-distance move. With our high-quality service and affordable pricing, you get the best options for your specific move. We customize the moving services to fit your specific needs. We provide you with the right long-distance moving services with options including packing services. Let us take care of the packing and unpacking to save you a ton of time on your long-distance move. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are high quality and will ensure your things are well protected throughout the entire moving process. An on-time move. Movers that show up on time will help ensure your moving day isn't delayed at all. Upfront pricing. We provide a transparent pricing model so you can set your moving budget without worry. Licensed and insured. We keep your things safe throughout the right move with our trusted movers. If you're ready to relocate 100 miles away or further, we are ready to help you. Whether you're moving your home, business, or both, our team will make the relocation process easier. We specialize in offering the best long-distance moving services for your specific needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saks Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.